Okay, this is our second attempt.
At the Great Challenge, I kind of failed the first time.
It's okay.
Just kind of.
We all make mistakes.
I know I do.
I know I do. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She's already beat me so far. 12. Sorry. She did pretty good. She beat me by 2.
Alright.
Yeah. Connor, if you're watching this, be proud. She got lots of grapes. See ya!